Saturday the 16th of June, and this is my regular morning check. Basically I'm on pigeon patrol. The winter barley, it's got to that stage where it's a bit milky, so you press it and it's really soft, and the pigeons just seem to love it. And I said in the previous videos, now's a job to keep it standing, and a bit of it has gone flat, so just heading over farm 2 every morning, putting a banger rope up and just keeping an eye on it, really. Sugar beet's looking good. And here we are. The winter barley. You can see bits have gone down, and pigeons sit in this tree and on the roofs and just drop down. Scarecrow there. There's a scarecrow I put yon side of the field, and you'd have thought they wouldn't touch it near a fairly busy road, but they still do. So let's stop them from having a bit of breakfast and put a banger up. Run. Anyway, the plan is today, and I say plan, is to make some hay. Farmer, neighbour next door, has cut it and tedded it out. So I don't know how many acres it is there. It's a little block. They've got cows, 3 cattle, Highland cattle I think. So I say plan loosely because it's the first time we're going to use this baler, so let's see how we get on. Please tell me if I've got to sound more enthusiastic about that. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I'm going to actually wake up and do a few more bits and get some stuff ready for later, so we'll talk later. Right, mission control is going to be a go in a minute. Screen's on, barrel size is set, 150. Bale pressure is set. I just need to drop the pickup down on the chains. And we'll see how we get on. baling. Somehow we're baling. Our full up. Sorry, there's not much talking, I'm concentrating. We're baling! Yes! Right, sorry I ain't filmed too much while baling, but that's done this field. We got 13 bales off this field. I know it's unlucky. Got nearly a bale in the chamber, and then we just got that little one that Dad's just about to row up. And yes, we have bought a New Holland rake because we like to do the job properly, and we can't. It's better with a rake than a hay bob, really. It rakes, you know, we're raking 4.2 meters now into one swath, and then we can even rake 2 into one. So you know, we're raking 8.4, so that is my maths. There we go. We got that from G&J Peck, so a big thank you for that. We went and picked that up the other day. I'll just show you some more of that in a minute. Just gonna alter where this clip is, because sometimes it doesn't roll the whole way around the bale. So if we alter that, it might go to the whole way around the bale. Tight one. That's what she said. Oh yeah. Here we go. Baling. We just finished baling, got 16 bales off, don't know how many acre, but it's a fair amount of bales for what there was there. Might have some more hay to do in July because it's due to an environmental scheme. The bloke can't cut it until July because of the birds, so just some more hay to be baled in July. So it's going to be busy. Then he wants another 70 straw bales, wheat. Then there's all the barley to be baled. Then the neighbour said he wants some barley to be baled, so yeah, we'll be on here a fair bit. So just today, just getting used to it. Yeah, don't think we've done too bad. Put it down in the comments, please. Gonna blow it down now, and yeah, so nothing falls off in the shed. So she's all clean and ready to roll for the next lot.